Hey everyone, are you ready to tackle one of the most interesting dynamic programming problems? Today we will solve the minimum cost for tickets from LeetCode using Java. It's an interview favorite and I will walk you through a simple, efficient solution step by step. Let's dive in. So, this is the problem. It is straightforward but challenging. We have an array days. It have the list the days you will travel and another array cost that gives the price for 1 day, 7 day and 30-day passes. So our goal is to find the minimum cost to cover all the travel days. So if you go through this explanation you will get to know. Here we will use one recursion with memoization approach in order to solve this problem. Here is how. First, we will start at the first travel day. Then for each day, we will calculate the cost of buying a 1 day pass, then 7 day pass, then 30-day pass. Then we will skip all days covered by the pass that we buy. Then we will use memoization to store already computed results and avoid redundant calculations. By the end, we will have the minimum cost for all travel days. Then we will start from the main function. I will just calculate the array length of days. Then I will create one array dp with the size n. Then we have to initialize the dp array to store intermediate results with -1 meaning uncomputed. Arrays dot fill -1. Then we have to call the recursive function find to calculate the minimum cost starting from day 0. So this is our main function. Then we will start our recursive function, that is the find public int find int n int index, then array days, then array cost, then array dp. First we have to approach here, that is if index exceeds the number of travel days, we have processed everything, so we have to return only 0. If we have already calculated the minimum cost for index, return the stored result. First is the base case, second is the memoized result we have to return. So let's go index greater than or equal to n, then we have to return 0. Same time, if we have the minimum cost for index, then return the stored result. return dp of index. So then we have to calculate cost for each pass. We will start from day 1. Days cost, then dp. Then we will go for next travel day, because we add the cost of a 1-day pass. So in 7-day pass we will start with one initialization int I. We will go for one for loop. I equal to index and days of I less than days of index plus 7, then I plus plus. Add the cost of 7-day pass after that, and skip all days within the next 7 days. That's it, we're done. Then we will calculate the 7-day. Find and I days dp. Then we will do for 30-day, same like this. I equal to index I less than n and days of I index, sorry, I plus plus. Then we skip all days within the next 30 days and we will add the cost of next 30 day. Int 30-day find, same find method, and I days cost dp. Then we have to return the minimum cost. For that we will use use the dp index, dp array, return dp index 7 day, 30 day, so that's it, it's running successfully. So its time complexity is big of n, where n is the number of travel days. Each day is processed only once due to memoization, and space complexity same big of n for the DP array. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more coding tutorials. Let me know in the comments what problems you would like to solve next. Thanks for watching and happy coding.